Hi, I'm Carrie Sherburne, Senior Editor of What They Think, and I'm pleased to be here with Nick Bruno, who's the president of Harris & Bruno. Welcome.
Thank you. Good morning.
So first of all, tell us a little bit about your company.
So Harris & Bruno was started by my father and Mel Harris in 1948, and we've evolved from a small niche equipment manufacturing company to a global supplier of coating equipment.
So both aqueous and UV.
Yes.
And you can do inline or nearline, inline or nearline.
Correct.
Okay. And so tell us a little bit about sort of the transformation that you've gone through, because obviously we're seeing a decline in offset presses being placed and a growth in digital. So how are you addressing that?
Yeah, absolutely. It was a big change for us. So in the late 90s to 2008, 90% of our business was supplying coating systems for the offset OEMs and users. And when that market changed abruptly in 2008, we needed to re-engineer our business. And so in 2011, we introduced the first high-end coater for our company, which was an end-to-end solution. And you know, here we are today where a big part of our business is digital.
And I have your business card here, which I can't help it. It feels great. So this is kind of a new development, a little bit new development, the soft touch coating. Tell us a little bit about that. Yeah,
so soft touch is one of the many coatings like a matte UV that was very common and still is very common in offset printing and coating. But in digital, it's fairly new because the coating technology wasn't available 5 years ago to do that. And so today, what we're doing is bringing offset quality coatings into the digital world.
And that's so important because now we have such a different media mix, and the role of print is changing and shifting. And for a marketing person or a designer, or even the end user, this kind of tactile pleasure, I guess you would call it, it really makes the print more valuable.
Yeah, absolutely. And what we see today is our customers, the printers, they want to be able to take a job to the offset press or digital, and they want to code it, and they really, the goal is to not know where it was printed and coded.
Right, right. And a lot of times it's it might be a hybrid kit, so some of the pieces are offset, some are digital, and they need to match. So
absolutely.
That's great.
Absolutely.
And so where do you kind of see this going?
I see more coatings, more higher end coatings being done digitally. I mean, the quality of digital print now is phenomenal, and the coating is as good on offline digital as it is, or nearline, inline digital as it is on an offset press. So I just see more coatings done on digital work as it continues to erode offset.
And both inkjet and toner.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
yep.
That's terrific.
And the challenge for companies like us is the digital print is all different. Whether it's liquid toner, dry toner, inkjet, and when we were coating on and still do coat on offset work, the chemistry was all the same. And the application technology was all the same. But now we have a lot of different methodologies, if you will, to be able to put coating down on these different print methods.
And substrates.
Absolutely, yeah.
Exciting.
Yep.
Thank you.
It's great.